In this video, I'm going to show you how we paint IBR sheeting. So this shop front has been cladded with IBR sheeting. As you can see, it's yellow in color. After a sand and a good scrape, we expose a lot of the galvanized iron underneath, and we're using galvanized iron cleaner to remove the oil and grime from those bare areas. The rest of the surfaces, we're just giving a good wash with a sugar soap solution. And once all these areas are clean, we are now going to prime all the areas that are exposed, and we're using Hamilton's Viva brush. So we're using a 75mm Viva brush with its synthetic bristle blend. It's an ideal multi-purpose brush for priming all the raw areas that we've exposed. Okay, so now once all the bare areas have been primed, as you can see, they are the black spots. We are now ready to start painting the entire IBR sheeting with Hamilton's Viva roof brush. So the Viva roof brush is a brush that has high volume of blended synthetic filament, and it's ideal for the application of coatings onto large surface areas. And the paint we're using is actually a primer and top coat because it's UV stable. So we're applying 2 coats, 4 hours between the coats, onto this IBR sheeting. And there we go. As you can see, with Hamilton's, you're always going to get the perfect finish.